Let's enjoy vegetable lumpia. Yes, and we have apple cider vinegar with garlic and chili and some spices. Mmm, this is super yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, and the other one is JuanitaGutierrez.com. At Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you. And come on and eat. I'm inviting you all. And it's still hot, so I would like to invite you for a 10% discount using my name as a coupon code, Juanita. Yes, you save 10. Use my name as the coupon code, Juanita, at www.allpriceseafood.com, or you could call here in New York City, New York, where I am, 1833 Got Crab, and they really have lots of goodies. And we're going to enjoy this with alcohol removed wine. And we are using Marla. And I like it to enjoy. Cheers for the new year. Happy holidays, happy birthdays, happy weddings, happy graduation, whatever occasion. Cheers. With long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light yours all. But before we enjoy, this is still hot. Mom and Dad and my grandparents always tell us to bless our food. And we are surrounded with my books that you see at the back, entitled The Rose and the Tilma, and this is How to Discern, excuse me please, How to Discern God Calls You to Monastery Life, and more other books of mine. Now let's bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmit it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved I am. And that's my 22nd book, I Am God, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, at JuanitaGutierrez.com, and my second website, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy now. We already have blessed our food, so we're gonna get our lumpia roll. Super yum, mouth-watering indeed. Twirl, twirl, twirl. For you and me and all of us. I love my lumpia with garlic as well, and vinegar and some spices. For you and me and all of us. Super yum. My favorite. And let's have our red wine without alcohol. Cheers for the new year, for happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026, and moving forward to all of us with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all. Really good. The taste of the veggies, the garlic, the vinegar. Oh my goodness, our lumpia is really super delicious, delightful, gourmet. You're gonna love it as I do. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap. In the Tagalog language, that means super delicious. Kain na po tayo. That means, come on and eat. Enjoy. Happy cooking. And more delightful food recipes of my beloved mom are in this beautiful cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy this crunchy, yummy lumpia vegetable roll. You're gonna love this as I do, with dippings of garlic, apple cider vinegar, and chilies. Yummy, yes. Enjoy.